you order?
Ang TikTok siya.
TikTok.
Mama, ako na lang open.
Dumating na ang kanilang order.
Sabi niya, January.
June.
June.
Kala ko June pa. Paagang dumating.
Ngayon, nabuksan na. Shopee!
You excited?
Yeah.
Ano bang toys yan?
Dumpling. Sabi daw RA. Meron siya dumpling na sira na.
Surprise toys?
Yeah. What's the scissors? I don't know. Here. From the TikTok shop. Ano sabi mo? Why so? I get it! Look at! Wow, okay. Oh, it's so heavy already. Let's go open, guys. Ay, na-open na. Ay, guys, yours. Oh my. Wait, what's that? That one is from that USA. Yeah. Meron pa, mami? Wala na.
Di ba one for you, one for ate?
Okay. I'm getting one, two. Oh, wow! I'm ready.
That is
Wow!
silver. How about you, Adi? Rainbow?
This is silver. I love it. So fluffy. Eat natin chopa.
May I try?
Yeah, it's so good.
Oh,
Try it. I love
it's
it.
dumpling. Dumpling
I love it.
siopaw.
Kain natin yung chopaw. Wow, please.
Maganda to guys pag stress ka. Reliever toys, relief
Give me,
toys.
mommy. Mommy!
Oh,
You touch.
that
I never touch
this
you,
is
ate.
rainbow.
I never touch. Wow, that's so fresh. This one is from the USA. USA? Yeah. Okay. Macy, touch it. Oh. You're gonna be touching. Macy. I love it.
Wala ng stress.
Yeah. I see that one there for our. Whoa. Why is
Ang cute naman nung niya, lagayan. Let me see.
lagay?
That one.
Ay! Ang ganda yung lagay niya. I love it. It looks like a shiny dump daw. Ang ganda. Ay, wow. So precious. Why is watery?
Mas maganda yan kaysa slime. Yung slime nakalalagay sa dumidikit sa damit.
Yeah. Because I don't like slime. I look at this. Yeah, too.
So cute.
So cute.
Okay, happy?
Happy!
Bye guys.
Bye. Bye.
Bye na din kayo.
From USA.